Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Andrew, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to be explaining or showing you how to make your very own profile picture, and I'm going to use the Trees 101 YouTube channel idea that we created last time. You can see the project sitting there. So, to create a new project we need to do the same as we did last time. Click on Create New. All the sizes are there once again. However, I'm going to run through on the right hand side once again and show you the different sizes that you need. Now, no, it's not 2560 by 1440 this time. All of the other presets are the same. It's just the two sizes that we have to change. Now, you may or may not know that a profile picture is a square image, so that both across and down are going to have to be the same size. So for that we're going to have 800 by 800, and we're going to do it transparent again. We're going to click create, and then we're going to run through the same presets as we did for the last video. So we're going to do file, place. I'm going just to quickly flick through all of these, and I'm going to use the same presets as we used last time. So I'm going to click on that file. Right, let's place that real quick. We'll come back to resizing these in a minute. Actually, no. So I'm going to hold shift once again, select the image, hold shift once again, and resize this so that it will fit. And then, oh, I need to do a bit more. Perfect. And then placing that there. Perfect. And then you've got your background once again, and then we're going to do the same as we did before. File, place, black overlay, okay, select that once again, holding shift, although it doesn't actually matter for the black because it's all the same colour, boom, and then we're going to do blending options, 50%, okay, cool. So you've got your basic screen as you had before, lovely. Then what I'm going to do, so my channel, I was calling it Trees 101. This is how I set out both the BuzzFuzz channel and this channel's profile picture. So just to give you some kind of insight, this is how I did those. I then do find the dead central point of the Photoshop document. You've just got to move the text around. So I've got the central point. I now need the second central point. That is about bang on there. That'll do me. And then all I need to do is check that the text is 150 in size, which both of it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and save that. So file, save as, and then we're not saving it in that file this time. I'm going to save it in video number 6, and I'm going to click on finalized project, do it as a Photoshop document and do it as a JPEG document, and we're pretty much done. So you can obviously make these look an awful lot better than I am. However, I am doing this quickly and I'm doing it to show you how easily you can create a simple background. That is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, be sure to smash a like rating on the video and also subscribe for weekly videos. I know I've been saying weekly, I'm doing them every single day, but they will be weekly. I've got one more upload and then it's going to be every week. But my name's Andrew, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow for my last video, day after day, and then they're going to be weekly. So thank you, and for now, goodbye.